Firstly, thank you very much to the team for very kindly sending me their cordless vacuum cleaner to try out. And today I'm going to put it through my 3-stage test to see if it's worthy of the 5-star reviews it has on Amazon. My first impressions are I really like the sleek design and it feels really lightweight, straight out of the box. I love the way that the team have built the brushes to minimise having to swap things over. I really like the green light, which helps you see under sofas and beds. And also I really like the roller brush, which is designed to prevent hair tangling. The drum size is actually a really good size for a stick vacuum, and the build quality feels really solid and not flimsy at all. I also noticed that it has a 60-minute battery life, which is really good for a cordless, particularly at this price point. But the real question is, can it handle everyday messes? First up, we've got the dust and gravel test, and honestly, it did a really good job. It was like an absolute champ on both the carpet and the hardwood as well. The suction feels really strong, and that green LED light really helps me see exactly what I'm picking up as well. Next, I tried the serial pickup test and he did a really great job on that as well. It was really super easy to manoeuvre one-handed, which makes the quick cleanups really easy and convenient. I love how easy it is to empty the dustbin. One click and it's done, so there's no muss and no fussing. And also the 3 modes for bare floor, turbo and carpet modes, just so you can pick the best performance for your home. It's been 2 days since I actually vacuumed my house, and so after vacuuming just downstairs today, the drum was almost full, which just shows how much this thing really does pick up compared to my own vacuum. I think this is really perfect for apartments and flats, people with pets and busy households who wants to do a clean without any fuss, cords or any sort of hassle. I think overall the performance, the suction power, the ease of use, the lightweightness of it was really surprised me. It's a really great all-rounder for daily cleaning. The design features like those brushes I mentioned are really smart and I really like that a lot. Huge thanks again to the team for sending this out to me to try. I'll definitely be reaching for this one as part of my daily routine of cleaning. It's an absolutely fab little machine and I really do recommend it.